This is Tim Fairfield from Keysight. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import and export pattern files for use in the pattern generator of the M8070B. I'm in the pattern editor and I've got a pattern already present. Now, first I want to show you how to export. I have a pattern, I want to do this. I can go to export. This is under patterns, pattern editor. Then we can go to export. I'm going to give this a meaningful name. Let's call this PCIe 6 52i. Let's call it a demo pattern, demo.ptrn. And we're going to save that. Let's just delete that. If I wanted to load this back up, we can go into patterns, select pattern. If we try to do it here right now, we won't actually see that pattern because we need to get it into the manifest. So first of all, let's go to here. Let's go to pattern editor again. Let's start it up. Let's do an import. We're going to bring in the pattern. And then we're going to choose from our file picker, demo pattern, PTRN. There we go. That's going to load up. That's going to give it a meaningful name. We could change the name here. I'm just going to go PCIe 6 52i. Let's just put, you can change it here and put that import. It did not allow me to do that. It's because I have a space, not a load of space. Import. There we go. Get the pattern imported. Now, if we wanted to use it with the pattern generator, or if we happen to have the error detector, we go to the sequence editor and it would load it in here. This is how you would do the import and export.